Hello teacher, I am Matias Núñez and today we will make a recipe using the chocolate. First of all, let's mention the ingredients that are chocolate, colored sprinkles, ice cream sticks, and aluminum paper. Already informed the ingredients, I will then procedure of this recipe. The first thing I am going to do is melted the chocolate. While there are many ways to do this, I am going to use the safest and fastest way to do it, which is to use the water pad. I have to make sure I don't overheat the chocolate. So it's important you note that a long time. Here we already have the melted chocolate, and once this is done, we liquefy it down. The chocolate is liquefied. It's important to let it rest for a few seconds. The chocolate should be little thick before putting in the aluminum mold. Once we see that it is good, we were going to put the melted chocolate in a pastry bag. We start moments. I put the chocolate in the aluminum mold. You guys can do it many ways to want, but I do it this way. I am going to place the molder